Think your accounts are safe? Think again. Every 39 seconds, someone, somewhere gets hacked, and it's not just big companies. It's people like you using the same Wi-Fi, downloading the same apps, clicking the same links. Welcome to Hack Proof Yourself, where I show you simple, powerful ways to outsmart hackers before they outsmart you. Let's start with something 90% of people still ignore: public Wi-Fi. You grab coffee, connect to that free hotspot. Boom, your personal data is up for grabs. Hackers use fake Wi-Fi networks, called evil twins, to steal your info in seconds. If you must use public Wi-Fi, never log into your bank or email, and always turn on a VPN. That's your first layer of armor. Next, phishing traps. Hackers have evolved. They're using AI to write perfect fake emails and clone real websites. That password reset link from your bank? Double-check the sender's address. Even a single wrong letter like paypal.com instead of paypal.com means it's fake. When in doubt, type the site manually instead of clicking links. One small habit can save your identity. And finally, your passwords. If you're still using the same one for multiple sites, hackers are already smiling. Use a password manager and enable two-factor authentication, preferably an authentication app, not SMS. Because yes, even your text messages can be hijacked. So, are you ready to hack-proof yourself? Every week, I'll reveal real-world tricks hackers use and show you how to fight back with simple, practical steps. Hit subscribe, smash that like button, and comment below. I'm going hack-proof in 2025. Let's see who's serious about staying safe in this digital jungle.